Look, now I'm teabagging you. You motherfucker!
Please.
The fuck this bitch want? Hello and welcome back to Sisters of Game. I'm Jade.
I'm Big Pimpy.
Thank you for tuning in to another episode of The Walking Dead.
Bet you thought we were done, didn't you?
It took us a while to get over the loss of Carley. Fuck Lily, I didn't mind leaving her.
But
I know you didn't speak to me. You gotta wait a fucking minute. I'm doing my intro here, bitch. Damn.
okay, see, she interrupted you, and now you don't remember what you were talking
Yeah,
about.
right?
Go just go up there and see what that bitch
Clementine.
wants.
Fuck that bitch.
Pacha needs you for something.
I know that bitch need me, Clementine. Shit. I don't want to talk to this heifer. Here we go.
What's she want? To ask us why we left the bitch behind? Because she killed Carley.
What's up? Is Duck feeling alright?
No, he's not feeling alright. That motherfucker is bit.
He got bit!
Fuck. Happened during the raid. What's the plan?
What's the plan?
Never had a bite victim in the group before.
I'm going to keep an eye on him and see what I can do from a medical perspective.
Baby, no.
Same plan unless something changes. East.
Guys,
What else is there to do? We thought you should know.
Important to stay honest with each other.
Anyway, if you could tell Clementine, we would appreciate it.
I guess. Clementine, Duck's dead. He's a dead duck.
Right? I'm going to tell everybody. What the fuck? Alright, Clementine, I got some bad news for you. Let me look around.
Duck,
Just tell her.
Huh?
he got bit by a walker trying to escape the motel.
I don't feel good.
You shouldn't.
What about Carley?
There's no time for a burial.
No time for a burial.
Walkers?
Yeah. Horrible.
Oh, we told her the walkers ate her.
She don't need to know.
Well, she didn't ask about that other bitch, though, did she?
She knows we left Lily.
I'm glad I have you.
Me too.
Oh,
You know what that means, don't
I
you?
my treehouse that day and thought about dropping
Lee is
a
doomed.
hammer on your head.
What? Why?
What? Why?
In case you were up to no good. Before you, there was this other guy. He was yelling and trying to get into my house. He wanted to take the TV and tried to break the glass door with a rock. Then some walkers came and scared him away.
Oh, that's a word for it.
Door was open.
He was dumb.
Clementine is the best part of this game. She won't have Duck to play with anymore. That's just sad.
You know what? I think that motherfucker did it.
Fuck! What happened? Holy shit! Get off of me!
Oh, I was going to say, holy shit, when did she get bit?
Oh my god, my chest.
Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me.
Oh my god, my chest.
I was going to say, but I thought I just saw Clementine in the new one that just came out.
Road's blocked.
Oh, my chest hurts. Ooh, I can't take no more of them scares.
I know that's right. Deal with what, Ken?
We gotta deal with your son being bit.
Oh no.
I say we take the Underground Railroad and get the fuck up out of here.
No, that train is done. Maybe you can uncouple the cars and push one?
Push!
Well, it's on wheels.
Is there any
But
way
you don't have the
get around
strength
it?
to push it.
Doesn't look like it. On foot, maybe. Can't really afford to do that now.
This seems like a safe area. All this brush.
Drive around it. Go back a mile and go around. Shit. This ain't the only road in the world.
Why don't you and I go look around?
Y'all think it's a goddamn game?
Yeah, everyone else relax. Wait, stay close to Kenny and Kat, okay?
Lee, if you come across anything to drink, if there's a dining car or something, I think Duck's a bit dehydrated.
It's afraid.
Bitch, if I find water, I am not wasting it on your
Duck.
dead
See
son.
something dangerous inside an abandoned locomotive? Hadn't crossed my mind.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna talk to Ben. Because, you know, he's shady anyway.
I think he did it. I think what Carley got killed for, he's the one that did it.
He is the one that did it.
Was it you?
Was it you?
Not this again.
Was it?
No!
Okay then.
What would you have done with Lily?
I don't know. Left her? I've never seen anybody kill someone like that before.
Yeah, you've
Yes,
seen a
you
bunch of
have.
stuff by now.
Yeah, but not like that.
Have you stayed with us all the time?
With us all this time?
Yeah,
Really?
it's with you guys or dead. I would have died out there in the woods, just like my classmates.
You think this is
I
better?
forgot we
Yeah,
picked
of
you up.
course.
I don't like Ben. I would trade him for Carley in a minute.
There's no way around it, Jade. You gotta go on the train.
Not yet. I want to talk to all these fools first.
Hey, sweet pea. You okay out here?
I don't think Duck feels good.
You don't think so?
You just need some Zombinol or some
Didn't I tell you what
Zombex or
happened to
something.
him?
Hey man, still looking around.
Kenny.
Haven't figured much out yet.
It's fine.
You know we gotta kill your boy. You know we gotta kill your boy.
They do. They gotta kill him.
How's Duck?
I don't know. Tired. Which could mean a lot of things, right?
Yeah. His body's probably fighting.
That bitch is
whatever.
a veterinarian. She can't.
Exactly.
He's gonna take his mother out.
Would you have left Lily back there? On the side of the road like that?
Yes, Lee.
Yeah.
We have to have lines. Yes, I would have left her.
Okay then.
Blurred
Is Clementine
lines.
sitting in
You know,
the
yeah.
Probably stuck or anything? I'm worried about it.
No. That little girl is a puzzle.
Yeah, she is.
No, she's not.
Carley. Where did yesterday go?
Time passes, bitch.
Are you okay? I know you were fond of her.
I didn't get that puck. She died, but whatever.
I was. This isn't any time for, romance. But yeah, I was fond of her, yeah.
Bitch, we ain't talking about romance. We talking about puh.
You didn't get it.
Sure didn't. Alright, well, let me get on this stupid ass train.
You didn't get the booty.
Let me look at the door first. I want to know what I'm getting into.
Car.
I'm not gonna like this, I know.
Can you have your gun out? Can you, be ready? Can you click on the gun?
Might be something inside.
No. Some tools.
Take them wrenches.
Well, let's take it. Let me take it. Yeah, let's take that. He gonna test the weight.
Nice.
Let's see what that looks like.
Do I have to trade one for the other?
Nice and heavy.
Well, I guess the only reason I opened this door was to get my shit.
What was the spanner?
kind of wrench. Then you keep on walking.
That light turned off. It legit scared me.
We got one. Walker, sitting in the chair. We got him.
Don't shoot him. Save your bullets. Use a spanner.
I'm planning on it. I hit the shit out of him.
Suppose we'll look him over.
Yeah.
I think he was already dead.
I don't think he was a walker.
He was just dead.
I don't think this guy.
Oh,
came
he
back.
had a family.
Christ. That light is blinking.
Push it.
Push it?
Why not?
Are you fucking serious?
Here, look.
Yeah, push it.
It's just the brakes.
Okay, I'll give you that.
This fucker works?
Seems like it.
Holly,
Yeah, let's get on the train.
how the hell do we get it moving?
I don't know. That's Mr. Amtrak over here.
No clue.
Well, let's look around. Maybe it goes somewhere we'd like to be. Ben, if you could keep an eye
I'd
on
like
the
to be
girls and
anywhere
Duck,
but
I'd
here.
appreciate it. I'm gonna make sense of these controls.
Kenny can drive anything.
I know that's
Be
right.
exactly
Do
what
your
we need.
shit, Kenny.
He gonna call Tank, upload that file, let's drive a train.
Yeah.
You want to talk about that? I'm really sorry, Kitty.
Hell no, you don't.
There's nothing to talk about. You heard Cat. He could be fine.
We probably shouldn't ignore it.
Nobody's ignoring nothing. I'm not worried. You shouldn't be either.
I don't know.
I don't know about leaving Lily back there.
Yes, I do. I mean, this makes me feel like I got some feels for that. I really don't. That's the only choice that we could make. We should have killed her a long time ago.
We said that because we had to say that, but in truth, I don't give a fuck about Lily. The only thing he
No.
didn't do, what he should have done, was killed her first.
We should have killed her at the hotel.
I'll get back to it.
Me too.
Okay, I gotta figure out how to get the train going.
Well,
It's a bunch
Well,
of
give me this map bin. That's what I want.
it's a bunch of papers.
But I want these papers.
maps about Georgia City.
You could examine them.
About the train.
But I wanted them. Look at the rotten lunch.
Ugh.
That's so gross.
That's exactly what I'd have said in that situation. Ugh.
Alright, let's see what else we got in here.
No idea what to do with these.
It won't let me randomly use the console either. Well, let's go on out of here. Kenny's in the cab and Cat's in the cradle. Let's get on the move.
Might be something.
You need to uncouple the locomotive, this thing. Oh, there's two other doors. What the hell is that?
Something that scared the hell out of me.
I was gonna say, yeah, why'd they show him closing it from that angle?
I thought I
That
was doomed.
scared the shit out of me.
Okay, so apparently I gotta do something, then come back here.
Uncouple it, maybe. But I didn't see it. Yeah, right there. Uncouple it. Oh, no. Right there. Yeah. No.
I'm gonna come over here.
Boxcar door. Oh, God.
This is doom. I think it's a bad idea. I'm walking off slow. I got a movie
And the music
going on.
started.
Oh, Jesus. Ben
Dude, you
scared
better
me.
start making some noise.
They're gone.
I hope so. But this looks recently.
I don't see him.
Be on the lookout and have your guard up.
Yeah, I think Ben's ears and Lee's ears are the same size, but damn if Ben don't look like he got a couple of ears on his head, man. He got some big ears.
There's some water.
Looks unopened.
Take a sip and give it to Katja.
Take this to Katja. For Dad.
I'm not about to get at the duck.
Yes, you are.
Clipboard.
I don't want to.
A map of where the train goes. I think these tracks might lead to the coast. Route 27, Savannah. That's where Kenny's got us headed.
Isn't that a place where you shouldn't go?
Where was it?
It's going to Savannah. Okay, I'm gonna keep on looking for what I can look for.
There's got to be a way to uncouple that. I can always check my sources.
Not yet.
You say not yet. Not yet means to me, don't tell you.
Well, we're not good and stuck yet.
I'm always good and stuck.
No.
Siri, how do I uncouple this train?
Listen to Siri, she'll get you shot.
I know that's right. Siri always giving bad information. And you know what? We were in Georgia when she tried to kill us, so that's appropriate, isn't it?
Yeah.
What he says, when we're not playing this, you have to tell that story, how Siri tried to kill you.
I think we will have to tell that story. My problem is I don't remember how it started.
I better get back to it.
Ken took off in a hurry.
We think the train might actually work. Trying to find out how to start the engine.
How?
I have no idea.
Well, someone must have known, right?
When I told you the
Right.
sentence, I'm
We're
trying to figure it out. What do you think that means?
Here, found some water.
Oh, thank you. He's allergic to bees.
Is that right?
It's all I can keep thinking about. Like, somehow that matters.
It doesn't.
I know. Well, I don't. But you're probably right.
So she's thinking that the kid's allergic to bees.
Will that help? I'm thinking that won't help him, so why is she thinking about it?
Alright, let me get some more tools. Are you cheating?
No. I would never cheat. Ever. No. I'm not, no.
You're cheating.
No, not me.
You're cheating.
No.
You're cheating.
No, I'm not. I mean, it magically popped into my head what you needed to do. I don't cheat.
You cheated.
I don't cheat. I just don't like suspense. I don't
Need
cheat.
a bunch of force to break away all this rust and whatnot before I can pry anything free.
But it's not here. Never mind. I forget I said anything. That was me deleting what I said. What are you looking at me like that for?
Because I can't think of what to do.
You have to backtrack. Don't use the ladder.
I don't know how else to get down.
Well, why are you getting down?
We got a problem.
What?
We still
My
got
man
the rest of
here.
the train attached to us back there.
Shit.
I tried to yank the pin out, but it won't budge.
Well, we ain't going anywhere until it does.
Well, come on with me.
Found this in the boxcar back there.
Whoa, is this what it looks like?
I think so.
This hoss will take us right to Savannah.
What's it look like?
Tons of steel. Put 1,000 walkers between us and the ocean, and we don't have to give a shit. I can't believe it.
Just have to figure out how to get
We
it
just have to
started.
figure out how to get it
Sure,
started.
we can figure it out. How tough could it
Let's
be?
get this party started.
But we'll find out.
That's the spirit.
Shit, this is it. Instructions on starting the engine. Damn, pages are gone. Can you see the indentations from the...
Damn.
Does that help?
It does help.
But now you don't know what to do.
But I think we can leave this episode here.
Shit, this is it. Instructions on starting the engine. Damn, pages are gone.
Yeah, this is a pretty good place to stop. Okay.
So I need to find some kind of charcoal to rub on it.
While we're trying to figure out how to start the engines, we're going to leave this episode here. Tune in tomorrow at 5. We'll have another video out to you. We don't know if it's going to be a game or an Angry Dad. Not sure yet. But just tune in tomorrow at 5. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll save a place for you on the couch. Bye! I don't cheat. How would you ever say, am I cheating? It's not cheating to ask Siri for help. Sushi!